This video will show you how to install the QuietFill Platinum fill valve. Begin by turning off the water supply, then hold down the toilet handle to drain the tank of the remaining water. Place a bucket underneath the toilet tank to catch any excess water that may spill out. Disconnect the water supply line from the tank and remove the mounting nut by twisting it clockwise. You may need a wrench. Then remove the old fill valve. Attach one end of the refill tube to the refill port on the top part of the fill valve. Unlock the new fill valve by twisting the top counterclockwise and slide it up to extend to its full length. Then place the valve in the tank and push it down until the corner of the silver cover is level with the top of the overflow tube. Remove the valve from the tank and lock the valve by twisting the upper half clockwise. Make sure the rib on the top of the fill valve lines up with the pegs on the bottom half. Next, place the new fill valve back into the tank and hand tighten the mounting nut on the underside of the tank with the bevel the side up. Confirm that the critical level is 1 inch above the flush valve. This is a code requirement. Before clipping the refill tube to the flush valve, observe the length of the refill tube. If it is too long or would bend or kink after attaching, trim the tube for a more direct path. Next, insert the metal clip into the refill tube. Clip the refill tube onto the flush valve. Reconnect the water supply line by hand tightening it counterclockwise and turn the water supply on. Make sure the refill adjuster dial is fully clockwise in open position. Flush the toilet and wait a full 2 minutes. Mark the water level in the bowl with a pencil and flush the toilet. If your bowl's water level falls within ½ inch of the pencil mark when the tank finishes filling, your fill valve installation is complete. If the bowl's water level reaches the pencil mark and rises above the mark before the tank finishes filling, turn the refill adjuster dial counterclockwise to reduce flow. If the bowl's water level is below the pencil mark when the tank finishes filling, turn the refill adjuster dial clockwise to increase flow. Repeat the dial adjustment until the bowl's water level rests within ½ inch of the pencil mark as the tank finishes filling. Congratulations, your fill valve installation is complete. Still have questions? Our technical support team is always willing to help.